Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix photos not uploading to Google Photos. You have to start by open Google Photos application, then tap at the profile icon at the right top and make sure that you enable backup. If you disable it, you will see that backup is off. Click turn on, then select original quality or storage saver. It's up to you if you want to save some space. Click storage saver, then click confirm. Also you need to wait until these photos start uploading, but you need to check if you have enough of space. So on the free version you have only 15 gigabytes and you share this space with Google Drive and Gmail. So maybe you haven't enough of space. Then also make sure that you sign in into your correct account. You can click the arrow icon at the right side and then swipe to another account, or maybe you need to add your account. And also go to the Google Photos settings, backup, and check that your backup account is the same account as what you use in Google Photos. So just select another one if you have your. Also, what we can do, we can check if you have the latest version for this application. So go to the App Store or Play Store, then search, write Photos, and check if you have the latest version. Also, I have solution for Android, but I will show you later. Now, also the same for Android and iOS, you can restart your device. So I use Google Photos on my phone. I should restart this phone, and maybe this one fixed my problem. Okay, now let's move to Android and I will show you what you can also do on your Android. Open settings and then go to the apps. I have it at the beginning, you may have it at the bottom or the middle. You can also use the search, write apps here and tap the apps line. Then you need to find Google Photos. I have it here, so if you have the same, just tap on them. But if you haven't it, just go to see all, then you can or scroll down and find Photos, or you can use the search and you can write Photos here, then tap at the Photos line. Right here, go to Wi-Fi data usage, or maybe on your phone it's Wi-Fi and mobile data, so tap at this line. And then make sure that background data enable here, so tap at the slider near to it and enable it. And also return to the settings and go to the battery. Right here we have battery saver, so make sure that you disable this mod, because with this mod you may have this instability. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.